Google Meet must have extensions for teachers, 2020. The global pandemic known as COVID-19 has affected almost all aspects of today's society, ranging from businesses, education, finance, and all walks of life. It is still wreaking havoc as of this writing. Its impact on the education sector is a mix of challenges and opportunities. This situation paved the way for the massive adaptation of online distance learning tools in order for learning to continue. One of the widely used tools today, especially in the field of online distance learning, is Google Meet. As part of the academe myself, I will be sharing with you today that Google Meet must have extensions for teachers. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to keep you updated with the latest tech news. If you are using Google Meet for your online classes, make sure to install these recommended extensions to maximize your Google Meet experience. Our first extension is Google Meet Gridview. This extension makes it possible to see all of your students on the screen at one glance, making it easier to interact and facilitate an effective teaching and learning process. Next is we have Google Meet Attendance. This extension enables the teachers to check and record the attendance of all students in one click and is exportable to Google Sheets, which is very similar to Microsoft Excel. Google Meet Reactions. This extension allows students and teachers exchange real-time reactions to the presenters during the online meeting, making the class discussion more interactive. Google Meet Enhancement Suite. This extension unlocks a collection of additional features for Google Meet, such as auto-join and push-to-talk. The download links for the extensions mentioned above is in the video description. If you found this video useful, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon for you to be updated with our exciting videos. I also recommend sharing this video to all students and teachers out there. Keep safe, everyone. See you next time. Please watch out for our next videos.